today we are going to learn about Fatha. So this sign which you are seeing here.
I know that sign.
Okay, whenever this sign comes above a letter, then we call it Fatha. What do we call it?
Fatha, like remember the standing fathas?
No, this is not standing Fatha. It's only Fatha.
Yeah, wait, what about
So
the double?
add and it adds an a sound in that letter. The sound of Fatha is a. Which sound?
Ah!
Yeah, the sound of Fatha is a. It is at the top of the letter.
Ah.
Okay?
Okay, ah!
Yes. So we will read. Listen how to we will read. It's Hamza Fatha a.
Hamza Fatha ah!
Mean ta Fatha ta. Example. For example,
Fatha ta.
it's Jim Fatha ja.
Dream Fatha ja.
Yes. So Fatha move in the upward direction like Hamza Fatha a, ta Fatha ta, ba Fatha ba, Jim Fatha ja. Okay.
Okay.
So now moving next one is now we are going to learn about Kasra.
Kasra and Damma.
First one is its Fatha sign. It is at the top of the letter. Is Fatha. The sound of Fatha is a. So it's Fatha. So now we are going to learn about Kasra. The sound of Kasra is e. Okay.
What about Damma?
Okay.
Okay, but what about Damma?
Okay. Listen. First we will read Kasra, then we will read Damma. So this sign which you are seeing here, whenever the signs comes below a letter, then we call it Kasra. What do we call it? Kasra. And it add an E sound in that letter. The sound of Kasra is E. What will be that sound, Kasra?
Kasra.
E sound. Fatha is A sound and Kasra is E sound. Okay?
That.
Yes. So that's the sound of Kasra is E. Which sound? Can you tell me what will be that sound, Kasra? Yusuf?
E.
E
What?
sound. Good. So Kasra move in the downward direction like Hamza Kasra E,
Hamza Kasra E.
Ta Kasra Ti,
Ta Kasra T.
mean Ba Kasra B,
Ba Kasra B.
Sa Kasra C.
Sa Kasra C.
So it's Kasra sign. The sound of Kasra is E. So the sound of Fatha is A. It is at the top of the letter. The sound of Kasra is E. It is at the bottom of the letter. Okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
I understand.
So now we are going to learn about Damma.
Damma.
Yes. So this sign, this little symbol which looking like a small wow. So this little symbol which is look like a symbol, a small wow, create an oo sound. Oo sound when it comes above a letter. The sound of Damma is oo. What will be that sound, Damma?
Damma.
Yes, ooh. We call it Damma. What do we call it?
Ooh.
What do we call it?
Damma.
Damma. Fatha is A sound, Kasra is E sound, and Damma is U sound. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So Damma moves from right to left direction like Hamza Damma U,
What?
Hamza Damma U,
Hamza Damma U.
Ta Damma Tu.
Hamza
I said Ta Damma Tu,
Ta Damma Tu.
Jim Damma Ju.
Jim Damma Ju.
Okay, do you understand? So one more thing which you have to keep in mind, so is that similar to wow, whenever a letter has dhamma so on it, then you are going to read it with your lips fully round, like so make your lips round like big bread.
Ow.
Okay,
Ow. Okay.
so now we repeated lesson. So now repeat after me. Hamza Fatha A,
Hamza Fatha A.
Hamza Kasra E,
Hamza Kasra E.
Hamza Damma U,
Hamza Damma U. Wait, how is it
A
A?
E
E?
U.
U.
Repeat again. Hamza Fatha A,
Hamza Fatha A.
Hamza Kasra E,
Hamza Kasra E.
Hamza Damma U,
Hamza Damma U.
A E U.
A, E, U. But how
Okay.
is it it kind of looks like a alif.
Yes. What are you saying?
I'm saying that. You know that.
Can you say loudly, please?
Do you know those? Do you know those alif thingies? Do you know those hamzas? They kind of look like alif.
I don't understand. What are you saying? What's the mean?
I'm saying the first one. The first one kind of looks like alif. So how is it a hamza?
Oh, 1 second. I explained you. Listen. So, if a harakat or jazm is present on alif, then pronounce it as hamza. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, read our letter without sign, alphabets revision. So if our harakat, jazm mean fatha sign, kasra sign, is dhamma sign, is a this sign name is two sign, is a jazm. If a harakat or jazm is a present on alif, then pronounce it as hamza. Okay?
Hamza. Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
So Hamza Fatha A,
Hamza Fatha A.
Hamza Kasra E,
Hamza Kasra E.
Hamza Damma U,
Hamza Damma U.
A E U,
A, E, U.
Ba Fatha Ba,
Ba Fatha Ba.
Ba Kasra B,
Ba Kasra B.
Ba Damma Bu,
Ba Damma Bu.
Ba B Bu.
Ba, B, Bu.
Okay, Ta Fatha Ta,
Ta Fatha Ta.
Ta Kasra Ti,
Ta Kasra Ti.
Ta Damma Tu,
Ta Damma Tu.
Ta Ti Tu,
Ta, Ti, Tu.
Sa Fatha Sa,
Ta Fatha Sa.
Sa Kasra Si,
Ta Kasra Si.
Sa Damma Su,
Ta Damma Su.
Sa Si Su,
Sa, Si, Su.
Jim Fatha Ja,
Jim Fatha Ja.
Jim Kasra Ji,
Jim Kasra Ji.
Jim Damma Ju,
Jim Damma Ju.
Ja Ji Ju,
Ya, Ji, Ju.
Ha Fatha Ha,
Ha Fatha Ha.
Ha Kasra Hi,
Ha Kasra Hi.
Ha Damma Hu,
Ha Damma Hu.
Ha Hi Hu,
Ha, Hi, Hu.
Kha Fatha Kha,
Ha Fatha Kha.
Kha Kasra Khi,
Ha Kasra Hi.
Kha Damma Khu,
𝗤𝗵𝗶𝗶.
𝗤𝗂𝗄𝗄.
𝗤𝗵𝗶𝗶.
Yes. So dal fatha da,
دال فتحة د.
dal kasra di,
دال كسرة دي.
dal damma du,
دال ضمة دو.
da di du.
دال دي دو.
Yes. Okay, repeat it again one time. Can we repeat again one time?
Okay.
Yes.
Again.
Hamza fatha a,
حمزة فتحة أ.
Hamza kasra i,
حمزة كسرة إي.
Hamza damma u,
حمزة ضمة أو.
a i u.
أ إي أو.
Okay, it is very easy to remember this. Ba fatha ba,
با فتحة با.
ba kasra bi,
با كسرة بي.
ba damma bu,
با ضمة بو.
ba bi bu.
با بي بو.
Ta fatha ta,
تا فتحة تا.
ta kasra ti,
تا كسرة تي.
ta damma tu,
تا ضمة تو.
ta ti tu.
تا تي تو.
Sa fatha sa,
سا فتحة سا.
sa kasra si,
سا كسرة سي.
sa damma su,
سا ضمة سو.
sa si su.
سا سي سو.
Okay, jim fatha ja,
جيم فتحة جا.
jim fatha ja,
جيم فتحة جا.
jim kasra ji,
جيم كسرة جي.
jim damma ju,
جيم ضمة جو.
ja ji ju.
جا جي جو.
Ha fatha ha,
فا فتحة ها.
ha kasra hi,
ها كسرة هي.
ha damma hu,
ها ضمة هو.
ha hi hu.
ها هي هو.
Okay, so this letter is a one dot above it. This sign is kha, is a bold letter, full mouth letter. It's kha fatha kha,
وا فتحة وا.
kha kasra khi,
ها كسرة خي.
kha damma khu,
وا ضمة
kha khi khu.
ها هي هو.
Dal fatha da,
ها.
dal fatha da,
دال فتحة دا.
dal kasra di,
دال كسرة دي.
dal damma du,
دال ضمة دو.
da di du.
دا تي دو.
Yeah, so it's your homework. You have to practice at home next tomorrow, okay?
Tomorrow?
Yes.
What about